Why your vision matters as an online creator, maybe a Skool community owner. So many Skool online creators, they struggle with fear, with doubt or frustration. But there's one thing that changes everything. And in a moment, I'm going to share with you the tool that I've used through my own management, leadership, entrepreneurial career. One thing that helped me again and again when resistance in some way shows up in my reality. First of all, if you like this video just a little bit, please give it a like. And also, please do subscribe. It's going to be more and more powerful here. I'm sharing, I'm trying to help, I'm supporting, and I really want to connect with the people who are on the same journey. So subscribe and hit that bell if you want notification. So first of all, maybe you are an online creator. Maybe you run a Skool community. It's a very powerful thing. I did videos around that. It's the simplest funnel I've experienced, and I love the idea of this. Now, maybe you love the idea too, but you've seen things like you're gonna post and you get nervous. You're gonna put up a video, you get nervous. You're gonna have people into your community, you get nervous. You don't figure out the technical parts. There's something that keeps bothering you. You can't find the time. Self-doubt creeps in. It's not going fast enough. How do you make money from this? A lot of things going on. And if you experienced any of this, or maybe all of it, first of all, you're not alone. I've been there. And a lot of creators like you been there or are there. This is the entrepreneurial journey for many people and also for creators. Now, the answer to this, one thing, and this is one thing that many people, and maybe even most people, they miss it. One thing, and I've shared this, I've seen posts in Skool, people ask, okay, but I have this trouble, or I have this problem, or I don't figure this one out and I don't know how to move forward. And I've shared again and again when I see these things, what I'm sharing with you here now. And that is one thing that helped me so much again and again and again, going from $1.5 million debt into a 60 people team and paying off that debt in less than 4 years. Building a coaching business, doing 50K a month on that all by myself. And not by myself, because I had the help of my coach and things like that, but it was an online business. It was very simple funnel, and it worked. One thing that helped me so much, that when resistance came up, either in the reality, something showed up out there, or the inner resistance, doubt, frustration, all of these things. One thing that helped me was having a vision. Having a vision, and what I wrote also is having a vision that becomes like a magnet that is so strong that it kind of pulls you toward it. And you could also say, but I'm going to do this very quick in this video, that this magnet, and you're here, it pulls you toward it. So whenever some resistance or something shows up, it might be a possibility for you to grow. But it's going to get much easier when this magnet is here. It's kind of like you can't resist it. But the other way of this is also that the magnets, because you align to your vision, your magnet will come to you too. It's not just like this. Your universe, your reality will help you. So you'll come together. So having a vision like a magnet, it helps so much. And I'm not speaking just about a goal here. It's a felt experience. And Neville Goddard spoke about this. Neville Goddard spoke about this in many different ways, but the feeling is the secret. I did videos around this too. And when you feel inside that this is already real, when you feel it like you're joyful, jumping up and down, and you're happy in that, whatever your vision is, and when you really feel that, and you just have it inside of you, you know this is happening. And your whole system, your subconscious, your nerve system, the whole system aligns with it. You're just vibrating that vision out there, and it's kind of like you are just stepping into that vision. And I've seen this, as I mentioned, with my coaching business. I've seen this, as I mentioned, with my own going from $1.5 million debt and into the 60 people team. I've seen it with so many clients that I've helped. When they feel that vision, when they see that vision in their inside, in their mind, in their conscious, they are dragged toward that vision. And in a moment, I'm going to share you the mini version of how you can do this. And after that, I'm also going to share you how you can join and get into our 7-day manifestation challenge. The vision thing here is from day 2. So the quick thing, if you want to do this by yourself right now, one of the things that has helped me a lot here, first of all, breathe into relaxation. Close your eyes, breathe, calm down, and come really down. And then if you are a school owner, so let's do that. If you're not, then whatever business you're doing, think about it, that if that's the thing, if that's the area. But begin imagining, what is it actually, what is the community you want? What does it feel like for you? Is it 500 people? Is it 1,000 people? Is it 1 million people in there? Feel how it is and feel, okay, what excites you? Are the members engaging? How are the people? How do they speak to each other? Feel into all of this. Feel into, do you have sales calls, or is it coming easy for you? How do you run your business, and how do you live your life? So if you want a freedom business, if you want a freedom life, maybe you're not hustling and grinding 14 hours a day, because you also want to go to the gym, you also want to enjoy the nature and your family, and you just want to have fun also. So, and that's your vision. And then, that was what I just stepped into. The next step is actually really feeling it. If it feels good, if it feels like this is what I want, I feel so happy when I step into this vision, well, it's probably something that would be really good for you to live that life. But it's not necessarily the same life your neighbor would want to live. So it's your soul calling. You're speaking with your soul here. You're tapping into your soul. You're listening to your higher power, your inner self. And then the next thing is, when you get this, then really anchor it by being in those emotions, feeling it, and really see it inside yourself and feel the emotions. That was the very quick way. I promised myself I'm going to do a quick video here. I'm doing my best. So, wrapping up this, by doing this, by having this vision, it's a very, very helpful thing to go into that state. And this is the thing. It's not a mental thing. It's not something you hang on the wall. You can do that, but it's something inside of you. This is where the real manifestation shows up. When you feel it, when you are aligned with it. And then when some form of resistance shows up, you can tap into your vision and feel that, and feel the magnet dragging you, and it's going to be much easier to go through the resistance, sit through the resistance if it's inner resistance, and let it pull you, and also attract it to you at the same time. And if you want to go deeper into this, like I said, this is the 2nd day. We are launching our 7-day manifestation challenge inside my Skool community. I'm sharing from my learnings, and I'm helping creators to align and create from the inside and out. If you want to check us out, if you want to join the 7-day manifestation, it's free for now. The first 50 members, I think we still got a little more than 10 spots, so you can join for free. The link is just below here if you want to join us, and we can practice together. People already started this, so I hope you enjoyed this. I made it below 10 minutes. That was very good, and I hope to see you in the next video, and also lots of love.